Hi, I'm Ali from Wildlife Hair in Sydney, and today I'm going to take you through a pixie haircut, keeping it modern so that we can really bring out the femininity in your client and make sure it really pops. So for our second look, we're going to add a little bit of texture and a little bit of movement and volume into the front. So a little tip when you're doing a texture like this is to keep the ends quite straight. So avoid tucking them under and curling them because that'll look a little bit too formal looking. Now I'm just going to put some working spray in so that then we'll blast it all out and create that bit of volume in there. Hope you like our second look.